The last head is unseen passage. As the name is given, unseen. Seen means which has been seen, means which has been studied. But this passage is selected not from your textbook, not from your grammar book, but outside of your text, outside of your grammar book. So, this passage makes you understand, makes you grasp, or make you clear your understanding or grasping power. So far, you are able to understand this passage, and in the last of the passage, some questions are asked. There are three questions. Three questions are asked. First two contain 2 marks, and the last one is part 1, part 2, each 1 marks. In this way, this passage contains 6 marks. So, you first of all you have to read the whole passage twice at least, and try to understand each word, each sentence, and what about which thing this passage has been given and what has been explained about that topic. So, this is the second section, that is section B of the question paper of your syllabus, and all this syllabus we have to study one by one. Dear students, as the motto is given here, confidence doesn't come when you have all the answers, but it comes when you are ready to face all the questions. It is a very important thing. Face all the questions. There is no confidence in knowing all questions, but there is the confidence lies in facing the questions, and questions are being asked from several uh, fields, and several types of questions are asked. So remember this, and confidence is the one quality of your character which makes you great. Thank you.